Hakasin ke Nyngkong ke Basketball Federation of India kan Pynlong ke jing kop halaki zone jongkari India banjit pat ya ki kenhun ki bani shimata hakalempung ye kop ko bahedu jongkari. Ha North East Zone ka jela Meghalaya kala yo lat ban Pynlong Nyngkong ya kan ke jing kop ha kanang ba shalong. Ha ka jing kundu bagi nang pathai kubor ha ka pratarik menta obnano pra arajar arpwe Shillong Press Club ginong kit kam jongka Meghalaya Basketball Association. Berkenthop, ia General Secretary ubah Donald Stephen Walang, CEO ubah Andrew Suting, but Joint Secretary ubah Walambok Yau Pnyau. Kile tu ubah ia kerja kop lekai basketball ke Nyngkong kebala pihak halaki jongki zone haki Hinriut Ligi zone habarok kawai keri India, kerja kop jongka North East zone. Kajela Meghalaya kala yok ban Pynlong Nyngkong ia kini kerja kop hakani kethan dalam mingi. Ia kaba on tip ka first Senior Nationals Northeast Zonal Basketball Championship kaban penya da Meghalaya Basketball Association na do ka khatri tarik hadu ka khat khandai tarik menta obnano pra arhajar arpaway ia kaba on Pynlong ha ka basketball court jong ka St Anthony's High Secondary School. Hakani kijing kop ki jela ki bani shimmenta ki kenthop ia ka kenhun na ka jela Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, bat nak ni kejala Meghalaya. Bat dia kejengel aka on Pynlong mensengi bat jan met on ladum. Kawai ni ki kendon ha kani kejeng kop, kalong ba barok ki rang ba ki thei le kai ki dei ki bala dep ban ai ketika ya dan oknyang jingpang COVID-19.
This is the first time it's been hosted in the northeastern region, and this is a new format that the Basketball Federation of India has introduced from this year onwards to try and promote the sport of basketball in all the various zones. The championship will start from the 16th of December, which is next week, and it'll end on the 19th of December. We will be hosting 6 states from across the northeast. We'll be landing on the 15th evening.
Kani ketika new format baka Basketball Federation of India ka introduce kani ka format kalong ba mencual lagi don ki nationals kemud naga state team ngi pa be shaka tuka jaka ba kalong ka national dia mentai kani ka senior level kila divide ki zones kemud borok wi kari India ngi don Hinriu zones dia ka North East zones ka de ka wi ni kita ki zones baki don ki Hinriu states ki bala along ki affiliated members jongka Basketball Federation of India kani ka format long kanyarap yaki ni ki kamta mi ka North yaki player na po North East region bakin yo kataka chance ban compete haka higher level namar ngi ladang ilet cepo ka national ngim 4 poy kataka level A ngi hab ya ka level B kebun ngim yo ban le ka po ka indoor court most of the time ye le ka ki outdoor court ti menta kemut ka team ka job nang ni ka wi ka team shenrang ni kan thei kemut kin qualify ya kataka senior national ka kin don total khat art team ro khoi